What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. In today's episode we are in the wonderful South-African Bush Lodge. We are going to be making a delicious chicken potjiekos. Tradition in South Africa, it's a delicious hearty chicken stew cooked on the fire with some coals, wood, or whichever way you'd like. I'm going to take you through it step by step, and thanks again for watching today's video. Please remember, if you guys do enjoy the content, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Okay, so first up, we're going to start with preparing our ingredients. We have some delicious sweet potatoes. We're going to start peeling them. You can use them whole, you don't have to remove the skins. It's nice and crispy and it adds a lot of flavor to the dish. We've also got some nice sweet corn and some white button mushrooms. Now this is a very basic potjiekos. This is something that you can make when you're out in the bush. You don't have a lot of ingredients with you. Refrigeration is kind of a bit of an issue, and it's quick and simple to make and to get all that delicious flavor from minimal ingredients. We'll start with preparing our mealies and as well as our mushrooms and our sweet potatoes.
Easy now. Be hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little, work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, be the star. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now.
Done?
And definitely. And that is it, ladies and gents. Thank you so much. That's our delicious Bushveld chicken Potjiekos. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.